Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick video about how to convert any file in PDF. No matter what, if it's Microsoft document, it's any picture, JPG, PNG or any file, you can convert in PDF without installing any special software. I will show you three ways. First will be how to convert on MacBook, how to convert on PC, and how you can convert on your iPhone. So now I'm on my MacBook first. Let's start on MacBook, how to convert any file. I have this file here. I'm closing right now. This one is PNG image. It's a get information. You can see here is a kind PNG. How to convert any PNG, JPG, any file, simply open file. Then here on MacBook on the top say file. You can just simply click here, it say export as a PDF. You click here and ask you where, and the file name we can say test PDF. Just enter. Here we go. It came on the desktop. If you open, it's PDF file right now. You can also get information. It tells you it's the PDF document. Now there is a Microsoft Office. I have one little document. I write down convert the Word document and PDF. How to convert this one? Same thing, we are going to open, say file. Now in this case you will not see here export and PDF. So what we have to do, we have to click on printer. Once you click on printer, you see a bunch of options here on the bottom. It says PDF. You just simply click. It says save as PDF. And now it's asking you where and what the file name. I say test PDF. Say save. That's all you have to do on MacBook. You close this one. You will see here. That's the PDF file. We have a converter. We can get information. So that's the way you can convert any file document in PDF on MacBook. Now I will take you to my iPhone. How to convert on iPhone? iPhone, we are going to bring here on my MacBook. So here on iPhone, now I will show you how to convert any file on iPhone. So simply, first if you have any picture, like say I'm taking my screenshot and I'm going to save photo. I'm going to convert this photo in a PDF. So what I have to do, simply, let me take you back. I'm on my camera right now. I'm opening this picture. How to convert this picture in a PDF? Simply, I will click on this arrow on my iPhone. Once I click, it asks you a couple options. So I will scroll these options side by side and I will click on more. Once I click on more in the list, I will see book. I will click on book and this picture will go in my iBook. So now you have to navigate in your iBook. And from the iBook, you simply click anywhere and you see over here this sending arrow. You click on it. Now you can send this file to message. You can iDrop or you can send it to email. This will be PDF file. So basically I'm gonna send it to my MacBook here. On this MacBook, so we can check if it's the PDF file or what file. I got it already. So here we go. I'm gonna bring it here on my desktop. This is the file and I'm going to close this one, and that's the file. If you see get information, it shows you it's PDF document right now. Same way, if you have any file, you just open in your iPhone and save an iBook. As you see, I have this iBook. I can go back from here. I can show you I have a bunch of documents inside, which one all I have converted as a PDF file. So now we have learned two-way on our MacBook and on our iPhone. Now the third way we are going to be on our PC, and I will show you how to convert any document on your PC to PDF file. Okay, now I'm on my PC and I have a window 10 on my PC, and in window 10 we are going to use any file to convert in a PDF. I have a couple pictures, or you can choose either document. Same process for everything. Now I have one of the picture over here. I will open. So as you can see, this is the file, and if I check property and it says a PNG file, or either can be JPG file, PNG, any document. As we talk already, it will be same process. Once you here, we are going to click on printer, like printer icon, or you have a print option like a file print, whatever. You can either click on the middle, I believe somewhere say print, just click on print. You see this window. And in my case, I have already, here's a Microsoft print to PDF. In your case, it could be like this way, your printer name. So simply what you have to do, we are not going to print like on a piece of paper. We will click here, we will choose option, say Microsoft print to PDF. Once you click this one, you see this another options here, and here we are going to click print. You can make those changes if you want, like how you want to look at landscaping, letter, A4 paper, whatever. You can change according to you, but simply to convert in PDF, we are going to click on print. Once you click on print, it will ask you where and file name. I'm going to choose my desktop. I will say test PDF, and I will hit save. Now we can close this file. As you can see, I have a here test PDF. You simply open, it will open an PDF file. So in my case, I have missed a little bit, probably because I have to be my page setup is. I can also go in a PDF before I convert. I have to make sure it's like going to be fit on my page. That's different. Like you can make those adjustments if you want, but that's the way you can convert any file, any document and PDF on your PC. Now we have learned already three ways. We also learned on MacBook how to convert any file in PDF. We also learned on iPhone how to convert in PDF, and lastly we have learned how to convert any file in PDF on our PC. So hopefully you guys like my video. If you like my video, please share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new topic.